Refinishing kitchen cabinets DIY project. This is existing wood cabinets and we are painting it into colors, beige on top and dark green on the bottom. This is non-pro job and you can do it yourself in just 3-4 days. First, you have to degrease all the doors and frames. Use mask when spraying. After, use 180 sandpaper to sand all surfaces. This is the most important part of the project. Pay attention to all details, otherwise paint will not stick. I would recommend to touch edges too, because it's most sensitive parts on the cabinets and paint can be scratched easily in these areas. Same sanding for all the doors. You don't have to sand it down to the wood, but surface should not be glossy. After sanding, vacuum all the dust and clean the cabinets with microfiber rugs. Now it's time to prime. Use thin shellac-based primer. Please use special mask, it's a must. 4 inches microfiber rollers would work the best. This part is your favorite. Just apply primer on all surfaces. Don't miss any spots. Same for the doors. I don't use brush for this type of primer, only roller. Prime only one side for now, keep it on side and let primer dry for 10 minutes. Then repeat same process on other side. Now, it's time to get ready paint. For this job, we use Benjamin Moore Command paint in satin finish. Remember, for this paint, you also need a special mask. Fumes can be harmful as it's urethane-based paint. It evaporates and dries very fast. Now you can use a brush to push the paint to some tiny areas and use also 4 inches microfiber roller. After priming, you have to wait about 2 hours or more before apply first coat of paint. This paint has to dry at least 1 hour before you flip and start painting the other side. Usually about 3 coats paint needed, but it also depends on color. Sometimes better to do 4 coats. Before you start final coat would be good to sand the surface with 220 or 320 sandpaper